In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Weebly. This is a quick tutorial designed to help you effortlessly add this feature and organize your website's navigation efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned website designer or a beginner, these steps will be easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you are logged into your Weebly account and navigate to your main dashboard. Once you're on the Weebly editor page, locate the Pages button. This button is the gateway to managing all the pages that comprise your site, making it an essential tool for adjusting your site's structure and functionality. After clicking on Pages, you'll arrive at a new interface where all your site's pages are listed. This can sometimes be overwhelming if you have numerous pages, but this layout is perfect for the task at hand. Creating a drop-down menu involves organizing your pages hierarchically to show which pages will be nested under a main menu tab. To begin creating your drop-down menu, simply drag one of your existing pages beneath another one. Click on the page you want to nest, then drag it slightly to the right underneath the parent page. You'll notice an indentation. This indentation graphically represents the hierarchy, showing that it is now a subpage or child page within a drop-down menu. Repeat this process for any additional pages you want to include in this drop-down. Feel free to experiment with different combinations. If you want to create more complex structures, you can keep dragging and nesting pages until you achieve the desired menu layout. Remember that keeping the structure clear and simple is best so visitors can easily navigate your site. After arranging your pages, it is essential to preview your site to see how the drop-down menu functions in action. Click the Publish button, then view your live site. Hover over the parent menu item to ensure the drop-down menu appears correctly and that all links work as intended. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully created a drop-down menu. Maintaining an organized menu is crucial for smooth navigation and ensuring a positive user experience. Consider balancing style with functionality, as too many options can overwhelm visitors. If adjustments are needed, simply return to the Pages section, make the necessary changes, and preview again to ensure accuracy. With these simple steps, you now have the tools to customize your site's navigation to best fit your needs. You've not only learned how to create a drop-down menu, but also gained control over website navigation, enhancing both its aesthetics and performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.